Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the modulo n. But before that, what is a modulo n? Modulo n, two integer e and r are congruent modulo n if and only if e minus r divided by n is an integer. So this is a formula. E congruent r modulo n if and only if e minus r divided n equal integer. So this is an example for congruent negative id modulo 2. For positive id, positive yang kay negative sa taas. So 4 plus 8 is 12. Copy the divisor. So you can divide the 12 divide 2 equal 6. So this is a congruent. Another example, 17 congruent 10 mod 6. 17 minus 10 equals 7. Copy the divisor. So 7 divide 6, 1 times 6 is 6. So minus 7 minus 6, 1. So this is a quotient, this is a remainder. So gitawag yan na not congruent